how do you build confidence in the marketplace? So first and foremost, my name is Brian Lewis, one of the East Coast executives here for LC Financial Group. Right now we're in the Independence, Ohio office. So I get this question asked a lot, like, how did you become so confident and how did you know everything that you know currently? And what I always tell individuals is training, 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 training. Studying the material like your life depends on it. And there's a multitude of reasons why I say that. So the first one is that I'm a big believer in this. The more you learn, the more you're gonna earn, and here's why. When you're able to effectively communicate all of the information you need to properly for the client to understand exactly what's going on, what they have, what's available to them, how it all works and plays into their life, and how it's going to ultimately impact their life, it is going to yield you massive results. So how I built confidence was just making sure that if there's anything to learn, anything to be learned or studied, I was doing that until I fully 100% understood it. So that way I could effectively communicate that to the client. There's nothing like talking to someone about something you really don't know. It's really not going to go anywhere. And I learned that early on. So what I took very seriously was training and just being the best I could be every single day, so that way I could be the best I can be for my clients on the phone or in person or wherever they're at. Confidence is a big part of sales. Again, sales is a transfer of belief. So the more you study, the more you learn all of the details, all of the in and outs, how all of the plans, policies, etc. work, you're going to have more confidence to be able to portray that to your clients, so that way they understand what they're doing, what they have, what they're getting into, and ultimately it's going to leave them with a stronger belief in you, because you know what you're talking about, and they're going to be loyal, because the next guy might not be as confident with what he's saying or pitching. So just continuously studying, continuously growing, reading books, developing the mind is so crucial to our business. That's the very first thing I do when it comes to my training regimen. I wake up in the morning and I get my mind right before I get anything else right. I start reading pages in my book, and then I go into working out. That ultimately has allowed me to be as confident as I am today, and ultimately has allowed me to assist and serve thousands of beneficiaries over my in my course of the insurance game.